So my name is Blake Detwiler.
And I'm Cassidy, and we own the Skin Elixir, and we're located in Altoona, Pennsylvania.
We're coming up on our first year here in October, so that's exciting. We are sisters, and we have been nurses, and we've worked together for the past 10 years of our nursing career. Like any new practice, we were a little hesitant when bringing in such a large device, so we really had to outweigh the pros and cons when it came to the NOUVADerm device, and the purchase. But we explained to our reps when they came in that we wanted a device that any person that walked through the door, we wanted to be able to use that device on them. We didn't just want something that was going to sit in the corner and just collect dust and us never be able to use it. So we love the versatility of the device and the different modalities that it comes with, using it on fits 1 through 5 or 1 through 6, and we can really treat all and every patient that comes into our office. Like Cassidy spoke on earlier, we're very skin focused and skin based, so we do see a lot of clients, especially in our area, with a lot of rosacea, acne scarring. So it is very nice to have an answer for those clients that come in with those concerns.
Results.
Yeah.
I would say we really love NOUVADerm because of its speed, versatility. We can be as ablative or non-ablative as we want to be. We can do a treatment within 10 minutes. But like Blake said, we can treat skin disorders such as rosacea, melasma, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, fine lines and wrinkles. And then we really like that it comes with the hair restoration piece as well.
You could be ablative or non-ablative, so that we do have that option of, hey, we can be super ablative and have some downtime if you have that flexibility, or if not, we can do a couple lighter treatments and separate it and just give you a couple days of downtime. So that's another nice thing about the device is the speed. It's real quick and easy to use on almost everybody.
Yeah. I really like the XOE after a NOUVADerm treatment. I think that was huge for AMP to provide. So we really like the XOE post-treatment.
Yeah, we're seeing great, amazing results with the combination of the two.